Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm prepared for fall and Halloween. This video is going to be all about this wreath right here that I made a couple days ago for Halloween. It is the first ever Halloween wreath that I've ever made, even though I've wanted to make one for like 2 years now. But anyway, I'm very happy with how this turned out. It's pretty simple compared to some of my other wreaths, but I think it looks super cool, super snazzy. It'll be in the background of all my videos for the month of October and maybe even a couple in November. We'll see. But anyway, if you want to see how I made this wreath, then just go ahead and stay tuned. So we're going to start off with this cardboard wreath. It's an 18-inch cardboard wreath from Michael's, and the first thing I'm doing is taking these bags of black feathers and I'm just kind of trying to figure out where I want them on the wreath. And so essentially I take a tiny bit of hot glue and like stuff about 2 to 3 feathers in one area, not trying to glue them all down completely, but just kind of trying to set a base for the wreath. And then after we have covered the entire wreath in black feathers, I used about 2 bags of them. I'm going to put these black sparkly leaves on the wreath. I got 3 little bushes of them, but I only ended up needing 2 because we're not trying to cover the wreath in these leaves because we've already covered it in the feathers. This is just kind of to add a little bit more texture and, you know, help it stand out a little bit more. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I actually got a new little like crafting mat to do my wreath on instead of, you know, newspaper or the yoga mat that I used last time. This is I think it's called Fiskars. It's a cutting mat. It's like a 2 by 3 foot or something like that long mat, which works really well. I have made 2 wreaths on this now already. I don't have to worry about getting hot glue and stuff all over my floor. It sticks on the mat and I can easily peel it up. It's so nice. Once we have all the leaves down, I'm taking these black and silver encrusted roses, I think they're supposed to be. They're really pretty. They have like lace in them as petals and stuff. And there's about, I think there was 10 of them, but I think I only used 9. I'm just kind of trying to keep them somewhat even. They're not totally evenly spaced, but I did leave a spot down at the bottom there for where I put the 2 coffins at the end. So, you know, just kind of had a little bit of freedom with the uniformity of this one. Once I put down all of the roses, I'm moving on to like the little accent pieces. I have these super cute glittery fuzzy pom-pom things, which were like the cutest things ever, and there were 6 of them, so they were able to easily fit within the spaces on the roses. And then I had those glittery pumpkins and those spiders. I had 6 silver ones and 3 red ones, and I kind of tried to space them out pretty evenly. I wanted little pops of red every, you know, once in a while. So I'm just laying them out, trying to get a feel for where I want, and this is also kind of when I decided that I was going to leave that empty space for the 2 coffins at the end. So this is where I'm putting on the coffins. I got them in a pack of 3 from Michael's. It's the Max Halloween supply, but I just chose the 2 black ones to put on this wreath. And this is what the wreath looks like when it's all done. I really love all of the glitter and all of the details in it. I think it's so cool. And also, in case you guys didn't know, I have an Etsy shop. It's called Danielle Sarta's DIYs. I just recently sold my very first custom wreath. So if you're interested in buying a wreath from me, I would totally recommend you check it out. I will leave a link in the description down below. Okay, so that was how I made this wreath, as I mentioned in the video. If you are interested in buying a custom wreath, I will leave my Etsy down below. Feel free to message me, whatever. I hope you guys try this out. Like I said, I think it's kind of a simple idea, pretty easily executed, but you know, let me know if you guys like this video. I have a couple more coming. I'm going to be filming a bit more today as of right now, in fact. I'm not entirely sure what order I'm putting this up in, but I think this is going to be first or second. Still deciding. But anyway, I hope you guys really like this video. Stay tuned for the upcoming weeks where I'm going to be doing some more Halloween themed videos. And yeah, have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you probably next week. Okay, bye.